guys, I am still cleaning out my closet. Here's one of my, I kind of like this top, one of my favorite tops that I like to wear. And I paired it with our Leviticus Fashion boot pants with the stiletto heel and the exposed platform. So, and I've got on this little mesh turtleneck underneath, and I totally would wear this out. I think this is a super cool outfit. I have it with our Leviticus quarter gloves, and these gloves are absolutely beautiful. And I just think this is a super cool outfit to go on a date with the hubby and enjoy a night out on the town. So anyway, you guys give me your opinion. Should I keep my top or should I toss my top? So anyway, please remember that we're Leviticus Fashions. A portion of our proceeds goes to help women and children get out of human trafficking through the Justice Project. And please share our videos. Please check out our website. Please check out our fashions. And I will talk to you guys later. Hope you have a blessed day. I'm going to go try to clean out my closet. Not working. Talk to you later. Bye.